Hello champs, in this video we will discuss some more formulas of chapter mensuration. In this video we will discuss about the volume and the area, surface area, lateral surface area, what is the difference between lateral surface area and total surface area. So first of all, what is a volume? Volume means the amount of space that something contains. For example, uh, at your home there is a water tank. So what is the capacity of that water tank? If you will see it closely, there must be written 500 liter, 1000 liter must be there, it will be written on that. Okay, so that is the capacity of your वाटर टैंक. इसका मतलब उस वाटर टैंक में कितना पानी आ सकता है, कितना स्पेस है, द अमाउंट ऑफ स्पेस. सो it refers to the volume. Now we will discuss some figures and their volume and the lateral surface area and their curved surface area. So before that, let's discuss what is the difference between lateral surface area and the curved surface area. So here we have with this figure, just look at this. I'm making a cube and then I will tell you the difference between the lateral surface area and total surface area. Look at this. You must have seen the dice while playing the Ludo. If you have played the Ludo, so how many surfaces are there on the Ludo dice? So there are 6, क्योंकि 1 से लेके 6 तक 1 to 6 नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं on all the sides, right? So in lateral surface area we cover this part, at the back this part, okay, this one, and in this side this one part, and this side this one part, okay. So what we don't cover in lateral surface area is इसका टॉप. ओके, मैं बना देता हूँ इसे विद द अनदर दिस. ये हम कवर नहीं करते. और सिमिलरली इसका जो बेस होता है, बेस, वो हम कवर नहीं करते लेटरल में. और टोटल में हम ये पूरे 6 के 6 सरफेसेस कवर करते हैं. सो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग, अगर आपको एक स्क्वायर का एरिया पता है, सो लास्ट वीडियो में हमने बात की थी स्क्वायर का एरिया साइड इंटू साइड, दैट मीन्स ए स्क्वायर, करेक्ट. और अगर हम टोटल सरफेस एरिया की बात करेंगे तो देर आर 6, 1 to 6 लिखे होते हैं ना लूडो डाइस पे, तो देर आर 6 सरफेसेस लाइक दैट. देर आर, सो द टोटल सरफेस एरिया विल बी 6a square of the cube. Look at this. And the lateral surface area will be 4, क्योंकि हम 4 साइड्स कवर करेंगे. ओके, एक तो हम उसका बेस या फ्लोर वो कवर नहीं करेंगे लेटरल सरफेस एरिया में, और एक उसकी रूफ या टॉप वो कवर नहीं करेंगे, इसलिए उसके 4a square है. टोटल में दोनों चीज़ कवर होती है, इंक्लूडिंग रूफ एंड बेस, टॉप एंड बेस. सो देर आर 6. वॉल्यूम जो होगा वो लेंथ into breadth into height will be of cuboid, and side into side will be of cube. So we have to learn it. Similarly, if I talk about a cube, this is done. A cube, lateral surface area 4a square, total surface area 6a square. Okay, now I am coming on cuboid. क्यूबॉइड में सिमिलरली लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट होगा, क्योंकि ये जो तीनों साइड्स होती हैं अब डिफरेंट लेंथ की हो सकती हैं. Okay, edges, length will be different, breadth will be different, and height will be different. So the volume will be length into breadth into height, LBH. Now coming on the lateral surface area and total surface area. As we have discussed, we will be covering only 4 sides for lateral surface area and all 6 surfaces for total surface area. So if this is length here, and this is breadth, and this is height, this is height h, this is length l, this is breadth. Okay, so if I talk about what will be the area of this portion, this will be LH, correct. What will be the area of this side, BH, correct. Why so? this is breadth, this is height, or if I'm talking about this area, so side into side या length into breadth, according to that b into h bh. अब क्योंकि ये BH है तो इसके अपोजिट साइड्स में जो ये वाला पोर्शन है ये भी तो BH ही हुआ, तो ये हो गया 2BH। अब क्योंकि ये हमने अभी बात की थी ये LH है, ये L ये H, सो सिमिलरली इसके जो बैक साइड में है वो भी LH हो गया। दैट मीन्स इफ आई कंक्लूड इट, सो वी विल गेट द फॉर्मूला 2LH plus 2BH. If I take H common from here, the formula comes 2H. If I take common, the formula comes 2HL plus B. If I take 2H common, so here B left or here L left, so L plus B. Okay. Similarly, if I will conclude with the all 6 sides, ठीक है, so it will be 2LB, क्योंकि जो इसका फॉर्मूला रहेगा बेस के लिए, ये वाला जो पोर्शन है ये बेस, और इसके अपोजिट साइड में जो दूसरा पोर्शन रहेगा दैट विल बी योर रूफ लाइक दिस। ये अभी तक हमने लेटरल में कंक्लूड नहीं कर रहा था, पर अब हमें करना होगा। सो इट इज़ लेंथ, इट इज़ ब्रेड्थ, तो दिस फॉर्मूला विल बी 2LB टोटल, LB plus LB. So if we will add 2LB also in total surface area, the formula becomes 2LB plus BH plus LH. अगर कुछ भी नहीं इसका समझ में आया, then you have to learn it. The formula is 2LH plus 2BH plus 2LH. If we take common, then 2LH, 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. That's it. And for lateral surface area, you have to learn 2H outside and L plus B in the bracket. Similarly this LBH for the volume. क्यूब के लिए हमने अभी बताया a cube, 4a square is the lateral surface area, 6a square is the total surface area. Coming on the next thing. Now we have cylinder. This we say right circular cylinder. The volume of right circular cylinder is pi r square h. This you have to learn for the cylinder. Pi r square h is the volume. And for the lateral surface area, so let me tell you one more thing here. The same way we have done the lateral surface area. Listen to me carefully. I am making a figure for a cylinder. The lateral surface area, we will cover only this part. Okay, we will not take similarly the base and the top we will not take. Okay, so the base will be like a circle, so the area will be pi r square here and the pi r square here. We will include it in total surface area. 2 pi r square we will include in total surface area. Look at this here. Okay, here we have 2 pi r square in the total surface area. So ये जो blue part से है, what it will be the surface area या lateral surface area for this part. For this part, the lateral surface area will be 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Okay. So if I conclude it, just give me a second. If I conclude it, the formula for lateral surface area is 2 pi RH, and if we include this top and this base, so by including this, the formula will be 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Okay, 2 pi r square. This is, if we take common from here 2 pi r, then the formula becomes, if we take common, the formula becomes 2 pi r into r plus h. This is the total surface area of a cylinder. Okay, done. Volume is pi r square h. This is volume. Lateral surface area 2 pi r h, and total surface area is 2 pi r into r plus h. That is the formulas. This you can copy and learn. Let me tell you one very important trick. If you are not able to learn it, or you are learning then again forgetting, so do one thing, just make a page, write all the formulas on that page and paste it on your wall, paste it on your door, so that if you will see it every day, it will be in your mind. Try it and tell me the result. I also use the same. Now just look at the next. This is a right circular cone. You must have gone in the birthday party. This is just like the birthday party cap. Okay, so whatever the area of your cylinder, uska 1/3, sorry, volume of your cylinder, उसका 1/3 1/3 pi r square h is the volume of this right circular cone. तो कोन का वॉल्यूम 1/3 आपको लगाना है बस इसमें. ये आपने सिलेंडर का याद कर लिया था पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, उसका 1/3 कर दोगे तो आपके पास कोन का आ जाएगा. दिस स्लेंटिंग लाइन इज देयर, इट इज कॉल्ड एल. सो द लेटरल सरफेस एरिया इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एल. इसमें हम ये चीज़ रखते हैं सिर्फ पाई आर स्क्वायर एल. अब क्योंकि इसमें सिर्फ एक ही सर्कल है, दिस इज हेयर पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो if I talk about the total surface area and lateral surface area for this figure, so it will be pi rl plus pi r square. This is the total surface area because this is the pi rl, itna part, and this is pi r square. So total will be pi r square plus pi rl. So if we take common, we can see pi r is common and l plus r या r plus l is inside. So what do you have to learn? The volume 1/3 pi r square h, and the lateral surface area is pi rl, and the total surface area is pi r into l plus r. For the sphere it will be 4/3 pi r cube, 4 pi r square and 4 pi r square. It is same lateral surface area and the total surface area, because if I talk about a sphere, sphere is what? Sphere is not your bangle, that is circle. Sphere is like your ball. The difference between sphere and circle is this only. Circle is your bangle and sphere is your ball, any type of ball, whether it is cricket ball or anything, football. Okay, so the total surface area and lateral surface area remains same for a sphere, that it is 4 pi r square. This you have to learn. And formula for volume you have to learn, 4/3 pi r cube. If you feel this video helpful, share it with your friends. Do subscribe the channel and wait for some more videos to clear your concepts. Thank you.